Have you ever wondered if Copilot Studio agents are just for coding wizards, or if launching your agent means your work is finished? Hey everyone, my name is Amelia Roberts. Welcome back to Pragmatic Works YouTube channel. Today, we are pulling back the curtains on the most persistent myths that keep teams stuck, slow, and frustrated. Whether you're an educator, business analyst, or a support lead, you'll discover how Copilot Studio empowers anyone to automate, orchestrate, and transform workflows. No developer badge is required. Myth number 1, you need to be a developer in order to build agents. Copilot Studio is designed for accessibility. Its low-code, no-code environment means that anyone, educators, business analysts, anyone, can create agents using drag-and-drop interfaces, guided templates, and step-by-step walkthroughs. This democratizes automation and AI, allowing subject matter experts to build solutions without waiting for their IT department. For example, a school administrator can create a student support agent without writing code, simply by following prompts and templates. If you want to start building agents in Copilot Studio, go ahead and start with some pre-built templates and some of the walkthroughs here on YouTube. If you want hands-on to help you along the process, Pragmatic Works offers a variety of different training for non-technical users to get started confidently. Myth number 2, agents are just chatbots. Copilot Studio agents can automate complex workflows, route tasks, and integrate with external systems like APIs, Power Automate, and even Dataverse. They're not limited to answering questions. They can trigger approvals, send reminders, update records, and more. This means agents can be used for business process automation, not just customer service. For instance, an HR agent could onboard new employees by collecting documents, scheduling training, and updating databases. All completely automatic. You can explore Power Automate and Dataverse integrations to unlock those real business values. Use agents to handle these approvals, reminders, and these data lookups. Myth number 3, agents work instantly once they're published. Publishing an agent is just the beginning. Like any product, agents require testing, user feedback, and analytics-driven improvements. Copilot Studio provides the tools for these test chats, usage analytics, and feedback collection. Continuous iteration ensures agents stay relevant and effective. For example, after you launch, you might discover users are confused by certain responses. Analytics and feedback are going to help you identify and fix these issues. You should definitely use that test chat, the analytics option within Copilot Studio, and that user feedback to iterate, fine-tune, and tailor the experience for your end users. If you have any questions about this, here at Pragmatic Works, we are more than happy to hop on a virtual mentoring session and walk you through it. Myth number 4, Copilot Studio Light is just a watered-down version of Copilot Studio Full Experience. Copilot Studio Light is optimized for quick deployment of conversational agents. Think like an FAQ bot, student support, or HR help desk. It's not less capable, just focused on speed and simplicity. Organizations can rapidly deploy agents for common scenarios and scale up later if they need to in the full experience Copilot Studio. For example, a university can launch a student FAQ agent in just days. And then when they're ready, they can upgrade to full Copilot Studio for more advanced needs. Copilot Studio Light is great for that fast deployment, scale later idea. It's ideal for frontline teams and internal support. Myth number 5, you can't build anything useful without full Copilot Studio. This is completely incorrect. Even with Light, agents can integrate with SharePoint, Dataverse, and eventually Power Automate. This can enable so many different opportunities and workflow automations. You can prove value quickly with Copilot Studio Light as well, and then expand its capabilities as requirements start to grow. For example, a help desk agent built in Light can fetch documents from SharePoint, or eventually you can launch it into Copilot Studio Full Experience to trigger an automated ticket creation. My tip here, Start with Copilot Studio Light to prove value, gain a proof of concept, and then eventually upgrade to that full Copilot Studio experience for that more advanced logic. Myth number 6, agents do not need a design strategy. Successful agents start with clear goals, clear ideas, and mapped out flows. Without this, agents can confuse users or fail to deliver value. Using a design canvas or a flow chart can help visualize conversations and plan for every case that can happen along the way. I suggest using a design canvas or a flow chart to help visualize conversations and plan for all edge cases. Remember to ask those important questions. Who is this agent for? Where is it getting its information from? And where am I going to put it for the end user to use? These will help guide you in the very early stages. Myth number 7, you only need one agent for everything. This is one of the most common mistakes I see people making. Trying to make a single agent handle every scenario leads to complexity and confusion. The hub and spoke model is one that works best. One parent agent with specialized child agents. This is a best practice and continues to make your project modular, which makes it easier to fix errors, find what's going wrong, tailor the needs for the end user, and make the entire process more smooth along the way. For example, a university might have a parent agent for general inquiries, and then child agents that handle questions about academics or tech support, or even HR. This hub and spoke model, one parent agent, multiple child agents, is going to be your best approach overall. Myth number 8. Once it's published, you are all done. Agents should be treated like products, with regular updates based on analytics and user feedback. Needs change, and agents must evolve to stay useful. Scheduling updates and monitoring performance ensures agents remain effective. For example, updating trigger phrases or adding new capabilities as users' needs are shifting. Copilot Studio is a powerful tool, but only if you bust these myths and build with intention. If you want expert help training your team or designing agents that actually work, reach out to us here at Pragmatic Works. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your favorite Copilot Studio myth in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next one.